Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Ranger clutch master cylinder. First, gather your essential tools, including wrenches, pliers, and a fluid catch pan. Make sure you have a new clutch master cylinder and fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid ready. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout this entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair. Now, let's begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, locate the clutch fluid reservoir and carefully drain the old fluid into your catch pan. Once drained, detach the hydraulic line connected to the master cylinder. Finally, remove the mounting bolts that secure the old cylinder to the firewall. This frees the old unit for removal. With the old cylinder removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new clutch master cylinder and secure it with the mounting bolts, ensuring a snug fit. Reconnect the hydraulic line, making sure all connections are tight to prevent leaks. Then, fill the reservoir with new, clean DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. This step is crucial for proper system function. The final, critical step is bleeding the clutch system to remove any trapped air bubbles, which ensures a firm pedal feel. Once bled, test the clutch pedal for proper engagement and smooth operation. Drive your Ranger carefully to confirm everything works correctly. Also, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals. Congratulations on a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.